Next one is right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Here we draw a right circular cylinder. Our right circular cylinder has the two plane congruent circle here, the first and the second. The two plane congruent circle ends parallel to each other and joining by a lateral curved surface at the right angles to both the ends. For example, a round glass jar, a circular oil container, gas cylinder, and the circular pillar of a hall, a piece of a circular pipe, etc. These are the example of right circular cylinder. So now here we given the terms related for the cylinder. The first is the base. Here base, the two circular circles are called the base. This is the top and the bottom, that is called the base. Each of circular ends on which the cylinder rests, that is called a base. Now the second term is axis. Axis, the line segment joining the two centers. This is the first and the second center joining this line, both the center of two circular bases, that is called the axis. And the axis is perpendicular to the base. Axis is always perpendicular to the base. Now the third term is the radius. The radius of circular base is called the radius of the cylinder. This is called the radius, and this radius is always called the radius of cylinder. Height, the length of the axis of the cylinder, that is called the height. Now next term is lateral surface. So what is the lateral surface? The curved surface joining the two bases of a right circular cylinder, that is called a lateral surface. Now here the given formula, lateral surface area of a cylinder. So lateral surface area of a cylinder equal to area of rectangular sheet, or you can say length of rectangular sheet into height. It means you can say curved surface area of a cylinder, or lateral surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH square units. This is a curved surface or lateral surface area of cylinder, 2 pi RH square unit. Now you can find the total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area of a cylinder, we also take area of both circular bases with the curved area of the cylinder included two bases, that is called the total surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of a cylinder plus area of both circular sheet. It means the total surface area of cylinder will be make 2 pi r h plus r square units, where h is the height of cylinder and r is the radius of cylinder or base. Radius of the base, and h is the height of cylinder. Now you can find the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder equal to area of base into height. So we know that the right circular cylinder can be built up using circles of the same radius. Both circles, both bases, both are the bases, the radius will be equal. So let h be the height and r be the radius of the right circular cylinder. So volume of cylinder you can measure. So measure of the space occupied by the cylinder. It means area of the two circle bases into height. Area of the two circle, you have already learned area of circle is pi r square. So volume of cylinder will be made area of base into height, means pi r square, area of circle pi r square into height h. So you can find the volume of right circular cylinder. So use this formula, pi r square h, area of circular base into height. And the measuring unit, the volume is always measured in cubic units.